This is Jamaican Callaloo, right? Observe it. Sight, you see? This is Haitian Lalo. Observe it. Sight. Alright. In the last video, someone wanna come to me and tell me, say, oh, a different greens, I know the same, we no season with food the same, we different, and this and that, wait. Alright, darling, me hear on the loud and clear, but make me understand on a real quick, that Jamaicans and Haitians share far more similarities than them want to know. Alright, our history and our culture shows it. My love, the point of the last video, and I apologize if my mother tongue has confused some but the point of the last video was to show that we as Caribbean people, as Haitians and Jamaicans, have similar foods that we eat, alright? We have a set of greens in a Jamaica that we call Callaloo that we like to eat, and I know that Haitians have a set of greens that them call Lalo that them like to eat. The point is that we eat a certain set of greens and